Hello, friends. Today we're going to be talking about the subject of immunity, and it's not what you have in mind. Immunity is not about white blood cells that fight organisms that come into us. Immunity is about our ability to resist the elements of the weather, of what's around us. Since hundreds of thousands of years, man has been around for 130,000 years. We have developed an energy field around us which takes care of all the contamination from the environment that comes towards us. And if we are able to make this energy field robust, then we are immune to all the aspects of the weather which may cause us harm. So, that understood, when we talk about building immunity, we're talking about fortifying the shield. We're talking about our energetic responses to our environment being such that we are able to take care of ourselves, that we are able to come out winners in spite of whatever contaminations arise in our environment. I'm going to invite you to watch the second part of this, where I'm going to be talking about disease, and we're going to understand how disease comes into us.